Here I've got Amazon Kindle 10 and let me show you how to enable parental control on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then go to the all settings and pick parental controls. And here you've got Amazon free time, so simply open it. And as you can see here, you can create a space for your kiddo. So we will do it in 4 steps. At first we will create a password, then add a profile, then you can fill it up with books and set a reading goal for your kiddo. So let me start by tapping on Get Started. Now it's time to set parental controls password. So it can be HardReset. One more time for confirmation. And then you can also enter some praise that will help you to remember this password. I will just enter anything here and click on OK. Wait a couple of seconds and now it's time to enter your child name. So let me enter Tom and tap on Next. It's time to enter the date of birth. Click on Next and select the gender. So Tom is a boy. Tap on Next. And as you can see here, you can get a 1 month free trial of Kindle Free Time Unlimited, and then you can buy it for $5 a month, but I will skip it for now. And that's it. Here you can add some items. Tom has got its own profile and you can also give him a daily reading goal. So it's for about pages. So let me make it smaller, for example, like that. And you can also activate this option, which is access to achievements. So if you would like to give your child access to their achievement reports, just leave it like that. And if you would like to switch it off, unclick it. And that would be all. Here is Tom's library. And your kid can do whatever he wants to read all those books in this kiddo profile. Click on Finish to finish the process. And as you can see, we do not add any items to Tom's free time. You can add it just by tapping here and then look for author or title and then add it by tapping on OK. But I will skip it, so click on Finish, Ignore. And that's it. As you can see, here is Tom's profile. If you will click here, you can see the progress library. You can edit the profile and also delete it. And that's it. This is how you can add the kiddo profile to your Kindle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.